So, good morning everyone in Tirana. It's very cold out here. It's 11 degree and now we are planning to go somewhere. I'll tell you in some time. We are deciding what to do and you can see the mountains there. And we are in the main city. You can see the view. So, let's see. Now I'm going to take bath and after that we'll leave.
Good morning.
Hi, good morning everyone.
Hello.
So happy Diwali. Today is a big festival in India.
Okay.
And what's your name?
Young.
Yan.
I'm Diksha,
And I'm Raj. So now we three of us are leaving for
Himare.
Himare.
Yeah.
Yes. So hi everyone. Now we are checking out with three of us. This is our car. It's is close the boot. Okay. So you can see. Oh yeah. So now it started. This is the fuel pump. You can see. This is the highway. Beautiful highway. And this is the room we are traveling. So let's see how much it will take. Hi everyone. So you can see the roads of. What's the name of the place?
Yeah, it's outskirts of Tirana.
It's outskirt of. Now he is having breakfast. How it is?
Really good.
Eh? Listen. Yeah.
You can't read it.
I know, and I don't know if like people also know, like English is like something very.
So you can see the beautiful roads of Albania. This is my car. Yeah. So hi everyone, you can see the view, it's so beautiful. And this is my car. You can see it's on cruise control and we are driving it so smoothly. The road is awesome, the place is awesome, and the people are very good in Albania. So let's see, let's.
And I had too many camera replacements. Yeah.
We can stop. So now we are heading towards this beautiful place. Oh wow. Are where are you going? So this is the place. There we have parked our car. So you can see the place. Beautiful place. One of the best place. There is my friend standing there. He's from Switzerland. So hi everyone. What do you want to say about the view and the water? Wow.
seriously. That one of my Switzerland friend went there from the top. He wants to stand and see, and that girl Diksha is there, and let's see the wow. This is really beautiful. Wow. Diksha, see where he went. Yeah. And he's very far. He is that mountain guy. That's why he went. Oh, so far he went. See now it's chilling there. Are you will feel the same view. Come here. So this is the beautiful place where we are now, and see our friend is coming from that mountain. running.
How's the view there?
What you found special? So you like the view, right?
Yeah, really great view.
Oh wow.
You can take
Wow.
in 0.5.
Videos. Here's the mountain boy. One. Like this.
Yeah.
It's like a, wow.
Wow.
Seriously, it's so good. Oh, yeah.
Wow.
Seriously.
This is the Mount Sika.
Wow, see this?
Yeah.
So good. Wow.
From there, the whole I mean, it's top of a mountain.
Ah, it's fine. We can go.
Yeah. The other one is just direct straight inside a tunnel.
No. If you want to go, we can go on the mountain. We'll get down somewhere below mountain. So
Yeah.
we can take photo for
Yeah.
forever. This is the view, and you can see it. So now we are here somewhere. What's the name of the place where we are going?
It's Mount Sika.
Mount Sika. So we are going to Mount just few months back, I was in this Malaysia and Langkawi Island. That is also beautiful.
Yeah.
The same, like same.
I'll take in your phone. It's fine. Oh my god.
Can we make a quick
Yeah, we can.
Yeah, I know. I knew. But size is small as compared to us.
I don't have anything to feed you. Oh my god.
Oh shit!
Okay. Come here. No, come this way.
So this is the place where we stopped, and this is brother. You changed your shoes. Everything you have changed
Yes.
Getting ready for the.
for the
I don't know. For the view.
for the view. Even they are planning to come this side, I think so.
Did we stop?
I went Thailand phone,
Oh my
and
god.
after 2 days, some nice guy called me
Oh.
from my emergency number.
Oh.
Then I went again 300 kilometers to take my phone.
Oh my
But
god.
yeah, good people are there.
Yeah, definitely. I would agree. What is this place?
I think paragliding is here.
You wanna do?
So you can see the view. People are there. They both are playing with the dog. And see. Now we are going to go that side. Let's see. From here, and people are doing cycling even. Wow, so surprised. It's very. So again, hi everyone. Now see, people are getting ready for paragliding. This is the place. I'll show you. Now they are wearing helmets and everything. Let's see how it looks. Now one guy is here. He's getting ready with his this, and the other guy is there. I think he's almost ready to fly. So let's see how it feels. I don't think so. It's an easy task, but still, people love to do it. See how. Now he's oh, so fast he hit. So this guy. So hi everyone, Now we came to this place. Below there is a waterfall and you can see this city. Now we are going to have lunch. My friend is sitting there. Huh? Sunbath. Oh.
Yeah, thank you.
So hi. Say cheers once more. Yeah. So hi, we have ordered this, this and this. Now we are having.
No.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. Let's see. So hello everyone. Now finally we came to a beach, which is a secret beach. You can say. My friend is getting ready. Now we are going on the beach. Here we have parked our car, so you can see everywhere. Wow, so nice view. What it is? So this is the way. Zipe Beach. This is the way to our beach. Let's see how when we'll reach. So this is the way to the beach. You can see we are walking towards the beach, and you can see. Wow. What happened? Oh, photo. Wow, so pretty. So you can see this is not about us. We are walking more than 20 minutes still. The beach is not here, and see the small child is even walking so nicely. So this is the culture you have to teach. This is what we are lacking in India. Let's so nicely he's walking. See, that's the beach. Wow, beach is so beautiful. So what do you want to say about the beach?
I don't know. I don't have any words.
Wow, seriously, it's so beautiful. It's so clear. So Yan, how excited you are about this beach?
I'm really excited, definitely.
So if you'll find bungee jumping or cliff jumping, then you'll do or no?
Maybe.
No,
Maybe.
just now we have discussed we can't do. You can't do, I'll do.
Maybe I do it. Also.
No, no, no. Next year when you will come, that time you do. But this time, no.
You have to look.
No, yeah, of course I'll look, but still, don't take risk with the hands.
Yeah.
So let's see. I don't think so, but still, let's see. Water is very clear, but even on this road, you can see where even people walking is very difficult. Few people came from car. So this is power of 4x4 and Mitsubishi. Yeah. So you can see water is so clear. So you can see this is the beach on which we came off. From I think from the top we came down. And people are chilling everywhere. So it's a very nice view. So you can see the view. People are chilling everywhere. So nice. So I can show you where I'm hiding. These are the pretty hidden secret area of mine. See, this is the place which I found. Very shade, and my friends went inside, but I thought, okay, I'll not go. I'll rest for few hours, for few minutes, then we can go. But the beach is too beautiful. So hi everyone. I didn't take my camera when I was swimming. That guy told me to jump from there, and it was really very dangerous, and still I tried. It was very good experience, seriously. Let's see, now we are ready to go back. Now, yeah. So how's the cliff jumping? Tell me experience about that.
It was nice.
It was nice, really?
Really nice, yeah.
So finally we are leaving this beach, and my friends is coming. So you can see the view of the
He's
beach.
already started driving.
Yeah. We need to do now.
Go to the hostel.
And
Definitely. Going to the hostel.
we'll rest today. Done for this today, right? Yes.
Only like hand luggage.
Yeah.
So what you did packing?
Sorry?
Even me, yeah.
So you are carrying jacket and all?
Yeah.
Oh.
I mean, a jacket that works everywhere.
Yeah.
Even me, I just got a handbag.
Even a flight में only 7 kg or something is allowed, na? I thought to-
Personal item.
Oh. So hi everyone, this is the street of Himare. You can see the beautiful mountains there. And this is the street. Now we are going to a shop that is Supermart. So we can buy stuff, something which we want. And this is the... So this is the place where we have booked our hostel.
I think we are coming the wrong way actually. I don't
Why
know.
map is so strange?
It's showing, but okay, fine, you can go. We'll watch the sunset and then go.
So hi everyone, this is the hotel which we have booked. So you can see the view, and this is a type of villa, you can see. Just now sunset is there. I'll show you. This is the place. Beautiful place. Hi. So hi everyone, this is the view. Sunset is there, and you can see where I'm staying. Wow, it's seriously, this is the place. I'll show you. Wow, nothing is better than this place. You can see everywhere. Wow, seriously. And now I'll enjoy here this view, and this is the sunset. And I parked my car that side. I'll show you. That side I have parked my car. Yeah, that is my car. So Mecca, you can see it's so beautiful. Yeah, just now sunset became and we were watching. So nice. And there I parked my car. So it's so beautiful. Wow. So hi everyone, we came here for dinner. What happened?
She said that there's no ATM.
So let me know about the spaghetti.
Yeah, it's really yum.
Seriously?
Yeah, I like it.
I think you liked your whatever it is.
Really good.
I don't mind tasting the curry if you don't mind.
Oh, seriously, you can taste?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Then you should try.
Yeah, definitely.
I just want
Where
to
my
try it.
chicken breast is went.